So we're in Silverdale today, and we're going to transform this property here. You can see that it's quite red. That's a red algae. It's obviously very heavily stained. Combination of mould, algae, lichens. So show this red spot here. Really red, and extends to here. We've already treated the side gable wall, and just leaving our SoftWash solution on there. You can see there, and then we'll rinse that afterwards once we put our first round on here. So let's see how we can transform this. So we've just finished transforming this. As you can see, all the red staining's gone. It's particularly bad up there. And these walls will actually get better as they fully dry out. We normally tell the customer it will look its best in about a week's time when they've fully dried out, and if there's any remaining dead spores on the wall, they will have just cleared by natural weathering. So this was that wall that I said was particularly bad, the red wall. You can see that's very clear. And we're very pleased with that. Looks really good, and as I say, it will look better as it fully dries out.